Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori of Delta State says his administration will continue to operate an open-door policy where novel ideas and good counsel from all quarters aimed at bringing meaningful development and lasting peace in the state will be entertained and appreciated. Governor Oborevwori, who received members of the State Advisory Board and Peace Building Council led by its chairman, Professor Sam Oborevwori, recently at Government House Asaba, maintains that his preoccupation as executive governor remains the advancement of the oil-rich state.
Political leaders, stakeholders, and well-wishers have continued to congratulate the executive governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, over his recent victory at the Supreme Court, which put to rest all legal battles challenging his emergence as the duly elected governor of the state in the March 18, 2023 governorship election. Recently, the governor received members of the Delta State Advisory Board and Peace Building Council led by its chairman, Professor Sam Oborevwori, who were at the Government House Asaba to felicitate with the governor and restate their support for his administration. Governor Oborevwori, who thanked the wise men and women for being pillars of support to his person and administration, noted that his doors are wide open for their progressive ideas.
Some things that you know that we are not doing well, and some things that we are doing well to encourage us more. We need to be seeing all these reports that will encourage us more. Some of the things that you know we want to do, we know we can do, we want us to do, we will also put it as part of our policy and programs.
Speaking on behalf of the council, Professor Oborevwori hailed the focus of the governor through the period of the litigations and restated their unalloyed support as he drives the wheel of development in the state.
You can now renew your dedicated focus on your continuing good governance of our people, as well as the conduct of the affairs of Delta State, in consonance with their overwhelming wishes and aspirations for more security and more welfare.
Similarly, Governor Sheriff Oborevwori recently demonstrated his commitment to ensuring that every nook and cranny of the state is given a facelift with the approval for the reconstruction of some internal roads within the state. Governor Oborevwori gave the approval when he visited some of the state's senior and respected citizens, namely businessman Mr. Benjamin Oseragbaje and publisher of Vanguard newspaper, Mr. Sam Amukakpemu in Sapele, as well as former chairman of Delta Elders and Leaders Forum, Chief Godwin Ogbetwo in Warri.
I came in for 7 months to 8 months. I've not done anything in Sapele. This is the first request, and I must deal with it by the grace of God.
The elder statesmen thanked Governor Oborevwori for honoring them, as well as his exemplary leadership that has brought good fortunes to the state. The roads awarded include Ogbetwo Avenue Road in Warri, Ororo Road and Aboneje Road, formerly known as Hard Rock Road in Sapele, Delta State. Meanwhile, Commissioner for Works, Highways and Urban Roads, Comrade Ruben Izeze, in line with the mandate of Governor Oborevwori to ensure the swift delivery of all projects across the state, led his team on an inspection visit to the site of ongoing construction works at DSE Roundabout by Julius Berger Nigeria PLC.
What they're doing now is they're trying to create alternate routes so as to ease the suffering of our people and of course reduce lost man hours in the course of our daily lives here.
The ongoing work at the DSE roundabout is part of the 3 flyover bridges and road expansion projects awarded to Julius Berger Nigeria PLC last year, aimed at giving the commercial nerve center a facelift. Others include flyovers at the popular NRA Junction and PTI Junction, as well as road expansion projects.
Inside the Niger Delta,